Good morning. I just wanted to say that
welcome back to my YouTube channel, and a warm hug and a happy new year to you guys. It is 2022. You know what, 2022 has 2 times 2 in it, and I feel like it's going to be double the amount of everything, and I believe it's going to be double the amount of love, double the amount of wins, and double the amount of money this year. I swear. Type yes in the comments to affirm right now. And with that, I really wanted to sit down and tell you guys how you can transform yourself to that girl. If you've clicked on this video, that truly means that you are on this journey where you want to transform yourself, where you want to glow up, where you want to be that girl you see. And trust me, all that I am going to be talking and all that I'm going to be sharing in this video comes from a place of personal experience. All of these things have been tried, tested, and they have immensely helped me in my personal life. I have seen myself grow into the highest version of myself in the past 2 years just because of these little things that I've added. And if you want to know what are all of these, then keep on watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel below. And without further ado, let's just get started. Alright, number 1, do yourself a favor and make a vision board. If you are not aware of what a vision board is, it's basically a visual representation of everything that you want to attract in a specific year. Now, I have been making a vision board for 2 years. I made it in the year 2020 and 2021. And what if I told you that everything, almost everything that I had on my vision board came true? Like, all that I had it, I manifested, and it is my reality. It's crazy, you guys. For 2021, I had pasted that I need to learn how to drive, and that is something that I did. You guys know that I got my license. I also had a sponsored work trip on it, and that is one opportunity that I did get. I also had about movements, like I had a headstand image, and that is something that I did work on. The point of a vision board is to not just paste the things that you want to achieve, but also believe. You really need to be a firm believer. You need to visualize yourself in that position. For example, if you have dreamt of being the topper of your class in 2022, you really need to visualize, you need to believe that you are the winner of your class in 2022, and it is happening. You really need to be very firm with that. Along with it, you need to work bloody hard. Nothing works out if you don't put the effort. So it's just all about visualization, it's about belief, and it's also about hard work. Now, if you don't know how to make a vision board, I will leave some links in the description box. Please tap on the link in the description box to check it out. Number 2 is to have a morning routine. Now, what you do in the morning is going to affect the entire day. So set a routine that is going to help you feel productive and motivated throughout for you to accomplish all of your tasks. Start waking up 1 hour before you start your work, because that 1 hour is really important. A few things that I would recommend in the morning are: number 1, do not use the phone in the first hour. When you do that, you give people space in your head. That becomes very overwhelming because you're checking messages, you're seeing what is happening. Just do not touch your phone. Instead, go make your bed, because that is a little achievement that's going to make you feel so happy. Go do your bed, freshen up, make yourself breakfast, or just sit down and write down things that you are grateful for. And be careful of what you're saying to yourself in the morning. If you're going to say that, okay, I feel so lazy, I feel so drained, I am tired, I'm sleepy, that is how your mood will be set for the entire day. Instead, rephrase it that, okay, I am going to make time for myself in the day to re-energize, to take rest. That will keep you pumped up to finish your task, take out time for yourself, and that just puts you in the best mood possible. So have a morning routine that will help you stay productive. Do not use your phone first thing in the morning. Please. Now, just like you have a morning routine, have a night routine. Just look out for something that is working best for you to sleep better, to rest better, to work better the next day. If you're someone who finds it difficult, just follow the 3-2-1 rule. Number 3, do not eat anything 3 hours before you sleep. It really is important. It has scientific reasons. Number 2, do not work 2 hours before sleep. Number 1, no screen time 1 hour before sleep. The blue rays that your eyes are exposed to gives a signal to your brain that it's still the day, and it does not put you in the relaxed mode. What you can is to have a nice setup done, dim the lights, have a candle lit up. And if you're someone who has trouble sleeping, I personally love reading a book. Just read 1 page, 2 pages. Just like हम सबको पढ़ाई करते हुए नींद आती है, just read 1 page, you'll automatically sleep better. So this is a night routine that you need to maybe have to feel the best and energize the next morning. Now that we're giving so much attention on mental glow, I also want to put light on physical glow up, and skincare is something that will help you do that. And it's important that you have a minimal skin type based skincare. Now there are so many products in the market, and the reason why I really love Chemist at Play is because all of their products have the concerned skin type mentioned on the packaging, so it becomes very easy for you and me to not waste our money on products that we're not sure if they'll work for us or not, if they're right for our skin type. This brand just makes it easy for us. I also really appreciate the eco-conscious packaging. They have airtight containers that make sure that all of these products are being protected, their potency is well preserved. Based on my concerns, that is blackheads, oil production and dullness, I picked the 2% salicylic acid and 1% zinc serum. This serum helps prevent oil production. It also prevents blackheads, which eventually prevents acne. Now this is something that I use once in the PM, followed by 1% pentavitamin, 0.5% hyaluronic acid and 0.5% coenzyme moisturizer. This one gives deep layer hydration and also absorbs easily. I absolutely love it. You guys can use my coupon code and get 20% off on Chemist at Play website. I will leave it in the description box below. Next up is my favorite, my absolute favorite. If you're an OG, you know that this is something that I do every other month. It is to take a digital detox. Digital detox is basically 24 hours away from your phone, away from social media, from calls, from messages. And it's not just about being away from everything, it's more about being with yourself. When you know that you cannot just ignore a conversation, ignore a situation and just scroll on Instagram, but you have to be in the present, that becomes challenging. And we're all so used to social media that we have forgotten how it feels to be alone. And it's not that being alone is going to make you sad. Being alone is going to make you enjoy your company more. It's important to spend time with yourself. Trust me, take a digital detox now and then. If you're someone who's being drained, if you're in a rut, if you have like a creative block, a digital detox has always helped me and I would highly recommend it. Next up is to move and meditate. Every day that you take out 30-45 minutes, it's going to be a stress buster, you guys. Gym kar lo, be it skipping, be it walking, be it jogging, be it just dancing by yourself, Zumba, yoga, make some movement. It's really important. When you feel healthy, your confidence is something else. And when you're working out, when you're working on your body, that sort of satisfaction is just beyond everything. There is no workout that you're going to regret in your life, That's how ironic and that's how beautiful it is. It's also important that you meditate. If you're not someone who knows how to meditate, there are YouTube videos. I love a guided meditation because it really helps me visualize. It puts me in a mode where I just do not think about anything else. Meditation will help you become calm, poised, a lot more sane. A lot has been going on in the world, and because meditation helped me during lockdown, that is one practice that I continue throughout in 2021. Whenever I'm just feeling so restless, I just meditate, and it's just like every time I come out from a meditation session, it's like a rebirth that's happening. I feel so refreshed. I feel so good about everything. So meditation really helps. Let's talk about goals, and it's important that you set small goals. While I'm a very strong believer of what I want to achieve in life, I'm also a huge believer to make small changes every day. I believe in changing my system every day and achieving small goals so that they collectively contribute to the bigger goal in my life. You know, the bigger things in life take time, but what you do every day is what contributes. So have small goals, have weekly goals, have monthly goals, and then have yearly goals and maybe like 5-year goals. When you have these small goals that are easier to achieve, every time you tick that off, it just gives you that sense of accomplishment and a sense of pride. You feel a lot more responsible. You also start trusting yourself a lot more because you are keeping the promises that you made. Your self-esteem really boosts, your confidence is on its peak. Next are my favorite, and that are affirmations. Affirmations are something that have personally really boosted my self-confidence. It's so important for you to tell yourself that you know you are good enough, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are going to achieve all that you have dreamt for. The mind really understands what you tell it. If you're going to tell that you're worthy, it is going to believe that it's true, and it is going to show up in your confidence. Every day before my driving classes, I would just chant affirmations. I am a good driver, this is easy, I can do this. It would just like boost my confidence and just put me in a more calm mode. So I would highly recommend affirmations. They are so easy. You can just make your own affirmations. You can just use YouTube. It's just so life changing. Know what you're eating. Have a conscious eating lifestyle. I used to go on these fitness challenges where I would challenge myself to not eat junk for 21 days, and I remember how it would get so hard in the beginning, but eventually I would be able to complete the challenge successfully. But what next? I mean, I literally go back to the same eating habits, and I realized how I really need to change my lifestyle. Not 1 month of the entire year. You need to be conscious of what you're putting in your body. You're gonna put trash, if you're gonna put all that junk, oil, etc., it is going to, you know, affect in your body. It will affect in your productivity, and it's just a cycle. Clean eating, healthy eating, indulging, you know, it can be as basic as eating at least one fruit every day, drinking 8 glasses of water. But you know, just consciously being aware of what you're putting in your body can really make a difference. And the final point is my most favorite. Please trust the universe. You know what? We all made goals, we made plans, and that really makes us feel organized and gives us a direction. But when we really are pressuring ourselves to fixate everything in our life, when we want to perfect everything, when we add shoulds in almost every aspect, my skin should look like this, my life should be like this is how my bank account should look like, this is how my love life should be, this is how my house should look like, this is how my parents' relationships should look. You know what we do is we become the biggest obstacle in our own life, because you cannot control everything. Understand that there is a higher good. Understand that there is somebody, there is maybe universe. If you believe in God, there is God, that you are being watched, you are being guided. Stop taking control of everything in your life, because once you do that, that behavior really keeps you away from manifesting the highest good. You're not even aware what plans the universe, God has for you. So you know, trust the universe and just do your bit, because you have no clue what's in store for you. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I'm so happy that I could be able to sit down film this video, and I'm sure that you know these tips, if you inculcate, they will transform your life. Trust me. Let's do it together. Let's kick our goals. Let's become the best versions of ourselves. That's about it. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you have any additional tips. Leave them in the comments below. And without wasting any more time, इस वीडियो को like कर दो. Like करने के पैसे नहीं लगेंगे. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.